Welcome to our channel. If the CVS app isn't working properly or you're experiencing pharmacy-related errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Open your phone's settings and navigate to the Apps or Application Manager section. Locate the CVS app in your list of installed applications. Step 2. Tap on the CVS app and select Storage. Clear the cache first by tapping Clear Cache, and if problems persist, also clear the app data. Step 3. Force close the CVS app from your device settings. Then swipe it away from your recent apps to ensure it's completely shut down before restarting. Step 4. Check your internet connection by opening a web browser or testing another app. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to identify any network issues. Step 5. Open your App Store and search for the CVS Pharmacy app. Check if there's an update available and install it to get the latest bug fixes and improvements. Step 6. If you're having specific pharmacy issues, verify your prescription information by calling your local CVS or checking your account on cvs.com to ensure prescriptions are ready. Step 7. If the app still doesn't work, uninstall it completely from your device. Then download and reinstall the CVS app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Sign in with your ExtraCare account and test all features including prescription refills to confirm the error is resolved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.